Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to single out a specific input in geometry node in Blender. Okay, so right now I already got a fairly complex geometry node, and I plug a lot of things as an input. In order for you guys to see clearly, I'm going to just single out one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to just get rid of this one. Okay, get rid of this scale one as well, and maybe just get rid of all this. Okay, so you got like a versus the Y and Z. We can just unplug this thing, but there's a better way, a more controlled way of doing this is press N, right? We got like a versus Y and Z, all that. You just need to delete it. Okay, so it's just a single out, like a empty, size empty. Okay, scale empty, cube rotation. Yeah, just maybe just leave the cube rotation, or maybe just make it empty. Okay, let me just leave one cube rotation, okay, and say you want to just only single out one input. So for example, you got this cube rotation, right? If you just plug in backwards the rotation back to cube rotation, something like this, you'll get like a boom, 3 options. But what about you don't want 3 options? You just want like one options. So basically, I don't want the rotation of the this axis, and I don't know what the heck axis I'm rotating. I don't want this axis. I just want to rotate this way, like a Z axis. I know this is Z axis. Okay, how to do that? Pretty simple. You're going to do this by first delete all this stupid input and output, okay, and do something smart. So what I'm going to do is to add a node called Combine XYZ. So basically, this node is kind of a separation. So I use that like reversely. Instead of combine things together, you can separate that and single the X, Y, and Z out. So let me show you. So for example, the rotation, we got X, Y, Z, okay? You plug it backwards and rotation's gone. Boom, go. Okay? And you can single out things. Okay, so for example, you just want the Z axis to be plugged in here, and we got just the Z axis. And then you can change the name as well. So there will be the rotation Z, cube rotation, something like that. Okay, and then you can just rotate here, okay, like crazy. And what is even more interesting is that you can just single out a specific thing that you want to change, and you can just hide this thing. Okay, so the other people won't be able to worry about what's been happening inside. You can even organize this in some sort of a frame as a container. You don't need to worry about anything inside. Just you need to know that this are like a general instance, and this are like output and inputs. Okay, and the only thing the user is going to change is here. Okay, just here. As simple as that. So that's the trick that I learned today, and hope you guys enjoying it. If you don't enjoy it, please leave it in the comment section, and please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. Okay, bye.